In the previous video, we created tables, forms and reports. In this video, we need to create a menu to access the front end. This is our previous access file wherein we created 2 tables, 2 forms and 1 report. Now we need to create a menu for our software. In any software, we have front end and back end. Tables are at the back end, they are always hidden from the user. User generally access the front end, that is the forms and the reports. To access these forms and reports, we need to create a menu for them. Now let us see the working of this menu. A switchboard means a page. On this page, we have 3 items: forms, reports and quit. If I click on forms, another switchboard or another page should open. Here it is opening forms switchboard, wherein we have the items employee registration form, add new department form, quit and back. The first 2 items are the forms that we already created in our software. Now if I click on employee registration form, it has to open employee registration form. We can start registering the employees from this form. If I click on close, the form should get closed. Similarly, when we click on add new department form, it has to open the add new department form. If we click on quit, this software should get closed. If we click on back, we should be able to go back to our main switchboard. Now similarly, if we click on reports, it has to open another switchboard, report switchboard, wherein it has to list the reports that we created. We'll see now. If we click on reports, yes, it is opening reports switchboard, wherein reports that we created along with quit and back. If we click on employee department wise employee salary details, it opens a related report. Here we have a close button. If we click on the close on this particular report, the report should get closed. Now if we click on back again, it has to take us to the main switchboard. Yes. If we click on quit, the application should get closed. I am explaining you the same thing again. We need to create 3 form, 3 pages or 3 switchboards: main switchboard, form switchboard and report switchboard. The items in the main switchboard are forms, reports and quit. If we click on the item forms, it has to open forms switchboard. Similarly, if we click on reports, it has to open reports switchboard. We need to create 3 switchboards or 3 pages. The items in the main switchboard are employee registration form, add new department, quit and back. If we click on any of these 2 items, first 2 items, it has to open the related form. Quit has to close the application, whereas if we click on back button, it has to take us back to the main switchboard. In the reports switchboard, we have 3 items: department wise employee salary details, quit and back. If we click on department wise employee salary details, it has to open the report. Similarly, quit is going to exit the application and back is going to take us back to the main switchboard. We will now implement the same thing in Access. First thing, we need to create 3 switchboards. To create a switchboard, we need a button Switchboard Manager on the ribbon. If the Switchboard Manager is not available on the ribbon, you can right click on any of the tabs. You will get the option Customize the ribbon. Click on it. Please select all commands here. and from all commands you need to select switchboard manager. We need to add this switchboard manager button onto our ribbon. So here we need to create our own tab. So click on new tab. A new tab along with the group gets created. Now we need to add this switchboard manager into this group. So click on add. It gets added. Click on OK. This is how we get the switchboard manager onto the ribbon. Select the switchboard manager. You will get a dialog box. Click yes. The moment you click yes, you will get in the navigation form, if you observe, switchboard form gets created, and in the table switchboard items table will get created. Do not edit or delete the switchboard items table. That may affect your menu. Now we'll be using the switchboard manager. By default, system gave us a main switchboard by default. We need to create 3 switchboards. So we'll click on new button. Give the switchboard name, forms switchboard, click OK. Click on new again to create a report switchboard, click OK. 3 switchboards got created. Now we will be adding items on each switchboard. Open the main switchboard. You can select it and click on edit, or you can simply double click on main switchboard. A new page gets opened, edit switchboard page. Okay, here we can add items. Click on new, write the item name, forms, select the command, go to switchboard. The moment we select go to switchboard, system will ask which switchboard should we select. Select forms switchboard, click OK. Add another item, reports. So click on new again, select the command go to switchboard and select reports switchboard, click OK. Create one more item, quit. Now if you click on quit, the application should get closed. So select the command exit application, click OK. The items on the main switchboard got added. You can close this dialog box. Now we can double click on this forms switchboard to add items on it. So double click on forms switchboard, click on new. The first item here is employee registration form, and the command will be open the form in add mode. Select the form, employee registration form, which we already created. Click OK. We need to add another item. Click on new again. Add new department form. Open the form in add mode will be the command, and select the form. Click OK. We'll add one more item, quit. So click on new, and the command here will be exit application. Click OK. The last item here will be back. So click on new button again. So if we click on back, it has to take us to the main switchboard. So the command here will be go to switchboard, main switchboard. Click OK. So the items on the forms switchboard also got created. We can close this dialog box, and we will add items in our report switchboard now. Double click on report switchboard. On this dialog box, click on new to add the item department wise employee salary details. Now if we click on this item, a report should open. So the command here will be open report, and select the report that we already created. Click OK. The next item, click on new, and the next item will be quit. The command will be exit application. One more item, so click on new. If we click on back button, it has to take us back to the main switchboard. So the command will be go to switchboard, and the main switchboard here. Click OK. The items on the report switchboard also got added. Let us close this dialog box. So these are the three switchboards, and we also have items in each. So let us close this switchboard manager now. Now in the forms, if we observe, we have a new form, switchboard. Double click on it and the switchboard got created. We can hide the navigation pane. We can also hide the ribbon option. So this is our menu which we can use. Thank you.